Hi, I am Stam and welcome to AI The Jewelers. Today I'm going to show you a simple, modern way to start creating beautiful jewelry designs. Even if you have no skills, no training, and no experience at all. Thanks to the power of artificial intelligence, jewelry design has never been easier. With just a laptop and an internet connection, you can create professional quality concepts in minutes. It is fast, it is easy, and it is incredibly powerful. And this is how you begin your journey into jewelry creation using AI. In this program, I will guide you step by step through the entire process. You will learn how to generate beautiful design ideas using AI platforms and then convert those ideas into accurate 3D CAD models that can be 3D printed, cast, and manufactured through local workshops. By the end of the course, you'll be able to start building your own digital inventory instantly, even if you have never designed jewelry before. The US imports 85% of its gold jewelry, and 35% of that is custom-made. The shortage isn't in goldsmiths. There are over 500,000 skilled artisans in the US. The real shortage is in design. Until now, large overseas teams had the advantage, but with AI, you can match their creativity and speed on your own. If you are creative or simply curious, this course gives you everything you need. No technical background, no training, and no expensive software required. Just follow the steps, practice a little, and by the end, you will know how to design and prepare production-ready models that you can turn into real jewelry or sell online. Alright, now let us jump into the tutorial and get started. There are two ways to start a jewelry design project. The first is by using an illustration image. The second is by starting with just an idea in your mind. In this lesson, we will cover both options. Let us begin with the illustration image. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create a simple black and white sketch, just like a clean digital outline. For example, let's type, "I need a plain black 5-pointed star filled with random white spots. Simple black and white design for image to STL conversion." That is just one of my searches. I am sure you will experiment with your own ideas and get even better results. I'm not really happy with the way it looks, so I'm going to type it instead. Please make the white spots less dense and a little bigger. Just keep in mind, you need to be very specific with your requirements in order to achieve the best results. Now let us try another example. Let us type, "I need a Aries Zodiac ram head, solid black silhouette with big curled horns and white cutout details. Simple black and white 2D design for STL." Once the image is generated, download it, and then we will move to the next step. Now that we have our images, we need to make sure there are no open areas left, so that the design is production-friendly. I am still not satisfied with the white spots on the star. They should be larger. And the Aries ram head also needs some adjustments. Let's start with the star. Open the star image in Paint. Change the color to white. Select the solid round shape tool and make the holes bigger. Once you're done, save the file and then move on to the Aries ram head. Now let's work on the Aries ram head. Open the image in Paint. Match the color texture. I will choose a thick brush and fill in the open areas so the horns connect with the head and form one solid piece. Next, let us connect the jaw area. Looking better. Just a few finishing touches and we are done. Perfect, it looks great now. Let us save the file and move on to the next step. Now that we have our final 2D images, let's turn them into 3D. Simply go to the website Meshy.ai and create an account. I am already logged in, so I can continue. Meshy.ai is a website that uses AI to create 3D models for you. You can upload a picture or type what you want, and it will quickly turn that into a 3D design. You can then download the model, and with a few alterations, which I will teach you in the next lesson, it can be prepared for 3D printing and rendering to produce a professional, realistic product image. Meshy.ai offers different pricing plans to suit various needs. The free plan gives you 100 credits each month, 10 downloads, and some basic animations. The Pro plan, at around $10 a month, provides more credits, unlimited downloads, private models, and advanced tools, making it a great choice for learning and personal projects. As your work grows, you can upgrade to the Studio plan, which is about $60 per seat each month, and is designed for teams, offering thousands of credits and higher priority. There is also an enterprise plan with custom pricing, maximum speed, and full support. Believe me, this really is the future of 3D modeling. All right, let's go ahead and turn our 2D image into a 3D model. Head over to the workspace and click on Image to 3D Model. All you need to do is open the Image section, pick the picture you want to convert, and hit Proceed. Now watch this. Meshy automatically picks up the file name of your image. That makes it super easy to name your final product. For example, Cosmic Starburst Pendant. I am going to leave the symmetry setting on auto and let the AI decide the output. But hey, you can always turn it on or off depending on your design. All right, now click Generate, and let's see the magic happen. We've got 4 options to choose from. To me, the top 2 look pretty good. I'll go with the first one. Just click the one you like, confirm it, and the system will get it ready for you. Now, click on the model that's been created. Nice, right? It looks beautiful. Since we uploaded a flat 2D image, Meshy gave us a flat version. But if you want the star to be puffy, just rename it to Cosmic Puffy Starburst and regenerate. Next, let's go to Downloads and select OBJ format. You can grab it as STL2, but that file isn't ready to print right away. We'll need to polish it up first. Okay, let's try another one. This time, the RAM Aries. Same process. Upload and click Generate. Wow. Just look at that. Meshy really nailed it. We've got 4 options again. Since we're already working on a flat version, I'm going to pick the realistic 3D one for this model. For proper 3D printing, we might need to cover the back. Small fix. Download it in OBJ format, and we're good. Now, do you remember at the start of this video I said there are two ways to begin a design project? One with an illustration image, and the other with just an idea in your mind. Let's try the second method, creating a model from text. Go to the workspace and select Text to 3D. I'll type starfish with 5 arms, smooth texture, and click Generate. I might even set a diamond on it later, so keeping the surface smooth is a good idea. And here we go, 4 options again. All of them look beautiful. I think I'll go with the third one. It almost looks like it's dancing. Just confirm it, download in OBJ format, and done. And remember, friends, this is just the tip of the iceberg. In the next lessons, I'll show you how to remove errors, smoothen OBJ files, resize for jewelry, close open surfaces for printing, master textures and modeling, render your final product, plus manufacturing techniques, building contacts, networking for production process, and even pricing your finished jewelry. Great work finishing this tutorial. You did an excellent job today. If you want to learn the full process from start to finish, there is a complete 1.5-hour course linked in the description. And right now, you can grab it for a massive 60% off. But this discount is available for a limited time only. In the full program, you'll learn how to generate AI jewelry concepts, turn them into accurate 3D models, refine them for production, create high-quality renders, and calculate manufacturing cost and selling price. You'll also get lifetime access to downloadable OBJ libraries, including diamond settings, chains, bales, ring bands, and ready-to-use base models. Plus, you'll receive my plug-and-play render setup file and a full manufacturing-ready workflow. And if you want to start right now, I've also added the link to Meshy.ai in the description. It's the tool we used in this tutorial, and it's the perfect place to begin your journey. Thank you for watching, and I will see you inside the course.